Camping axes are essential tools for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Whether you're felling trees, delimbing branches, splitting logs, or shaping wood, having a dependable axe can simplify these tasks. Choosing an axe that suits your specific needs is crucial, as not all axes from the local hardware store will be up to the job. Selecting the right camping axe involves considering its intended use, construction, and frequency of use. The most important factors include handle length and bit shape. A longer handle is perfect for heavy-duty tasks like felling trees, while a shorter handle provides better control for detailed work and carving. A well-chosen axe not only makes outdoor tasks easier, but also enhances the overall outdoor experience. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Hults Bruk Almike Hatchet. The Hults Bruk Almike Hatchet is a precision tool that excels in both splitting and chopping for its size. Made in Sweden, this hatchet features an overall length of 15 inches, a 1-pound head, a 2.9-inch edge, and an American hickory handle. It also boasts a chop test depth of 1.75 inches, showcasing its efficiency. One of the key advantages of this hatchet is its mirror-polished, shaving-sharp edge, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. The ergonomic handle is designed for both heavy chopping and light carving, making it versatile for various tasks. The double-wedged head provides a secure attachment of the head to the handle, while the premium leather sheath, which includes a belt loop, allows for easy carrying. Additionally, the handle is fully treated from the factory, saturated with boiled linseed oil to prevent water intrusion. Although it comes with a premium price tag, the Hults Bruk Almike Hatchet justifies the cost with its exceptional performance and quality. It is ideal for making precision cuts for shelters, traps, tools, and camp furniture, and is also heavy enough to split firewood and fell trees. The hatchet stands out for its balance and ergonomic feel, with an extremely sharp edge that makes limb removal effortless. It chops deeply despite its light head and short handle, and its relatively thin cheeks are perfect for carving without compromising its splitting capability. Number 4. Estwing Camper's Axe. The Estwing Camper's Axe is known for its unparalleled strength and minimal maintenance requirements. Made in the US, this axe boasts an overall length of 18.75 inches, a head weight of 2.8 pounds, and a 4-inch edge. Its integrated metal handle with a rubber grip ensures durability and comfort. One of the standout features of this axe is its one-piece forged steel head and handle, providing unmatched strength and eliminating the risk of the head coming loose. The shock reduction grip enhances comfort during use, and the axe comes with a nylon sheath with a belt loop for easy carrying. Additionally, the steel is factory-coated to prevent rust, further reducing maintenance needs. However, the Estwing Camper's Axe does have some drawbacks. It is fairly dull out of the box and has below-average splitting performance. Despite these cons, the axe's durability makes it a reliable choice. The handle and head are forged from a single piece of steel with a double-tempered head, preventing brittleness and breakage. No overstrike will break the handle, it won't dry out and shrink, and the head will never come loose. The pole can be used as a hammer without worry, and the axe can withstand heavy use, even being pounded through for splitting and left out in the rain. For maintenance, the Estwing Camper's Axe only requires sharpening. The long, thin bit, which doesn't need to wrap around a handle, makes it less ideal for splitting seasoned hardwood. Sharpening the axe will significantly improve its splitting and cutting performance, as the factory edge is not very sharp. However, for those seeking an ultra-tough, low-maintenance axe, the Estwing Camper's Axe is an excellent choice. Number 3. Gransfors Bruk Wildlife Hatchet. The Gransfors Bruk Wildlife Hatchet is a light and short axe that barely sacrifices strength and quality. Made in Sweden, this hatchet features an overall length of 13 inches, a head weight just under 1 pound, and a 3-inch edge. It is equipped with a hickory handle and has a chop test depth of 1.5 inches, showcasing its performance and durability. One of the notable pros of this hatchet is its extremely sharp factory edge, making it ready for immediate use. It is easily packable, thanks to its light head and thinner handle, making it ideal for outdoor activities like hunting and scouting. The hatchet boasts excellent fit and finish, and it comes with a premium leather sheath for safe storage and carrying. It is also controllable for small and fine tasks. However, The premium quality comes with a premium price tag. The longer beard on the bit makes it good for carving, but the front of the handle behind the beard isn't as comfortable as some other axes. Despite this, the generous swell at the base of the handle locks your hand in when swinging hard, and there is a lanyard hole drilled for additional grip if needed. The Gransfors Bruk Wildlife Hatchet excels in splitting smaller wood to make kindling, but for extensive splitting at camp, other options might be more suitable. Overall, it punches above its weight due to excellent geometry and handle design, making it a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a lightweight and high-quality axe. Number 2. Fiskars X11 Splitting Axe. The Fiskars X11 Splitting Axe is renowned for its excellent geometry for splitting and comes sharp and ready to go out of the box. Made in Finland, this axe features an overall length of 17.25 inches and weighs 2.7 pounds. It boasts a 3-inch edge and is equipped with a hollow composite handle, with a chop test depth of 1.6 inches, showcasing its durability and efficiency. Crafted in Finland, the Fiskars X11 Splitting Axe is designed for optimal performance in splitting wood. The axe's bit geometry is perfectly suited for this task, evident as soon as it swung. Unlike traditional splitting mauls, the Fiskars X11 is versatile enough to delimb and chop or shape wood fairly well. The hollow handle design contributes to its weight bias towards the head, aiding in powerful swings. While slightly different from traditional construction axes, the Fiskars X11 excels in chopping and carving. However, its bit and handle design may not make carving an easy task, and the handle material may lack the grip of a treated hickory handle. Nevertheless, the swell at the bottom of the handle ensures a secure grip with minimal effort. Although the coating on the blade may not last long, the edge itself holds up much better than paint would. Despite some minor drawbacks, the Fiskars X11 Splitting Axe stands out for its superior splitting capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those seeking efficiency and durability in their camp axe. Number 1. The Hults Bruk Kisa. The Hults Bruk Kisa is celebrated for its exceptional performance and comfortable design. Crafted in Sweden, this axe features an overall length of 26 inches and weighs 2 pounds. Its 3.5-inch edge and American hickory handle contribute to its versatility and durability, while the chop test depth of 2.5 inches demonstrates its cutting power. Made with premium craftsmanship, the Hults Bruk Kisa comes with a high-quality leather mask, sheath, for safe storage. The factory-sharpened edge is mirror-polished and shaving sharp, ensuring it's ready for immediate use. The handle is also treated from the factory, enhancing its durability. The Kisa excels in chopping tasks, effortlessly making deep cuts up to 2.5 inches in seasoned walnut with just 10 swings. It effectively splits seasoned hard maple rounds up to 12 inches with 2 to 3 blows, and smaller logs under 8 inches were split with a single swing, except for heavily knotted wood. The axe's bit shape allows for versatile use, including delicate carving tasks like shaping spoons and kukses. While the Hults Bruk Kisa commands a premium price, its outstanding performance and quality craftsmanship make it well worth the investment. With a heritage in axe making since 1697, Hults Bruk has perfected the art of axe production, delivering a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of outdoor tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendation.